Welcome to this Come Volunteer and Start Events tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can access our Come Volunteer software from your event and Start Events. So you'll log into your account and then you see all my events here. We're of course going to do our Old Town Renaissance Fair. That's our classic demo here. And then from the sidebar menu, you're going to go to Event Administration and then Volunteer Dashboard. If you haven't set up a volunteer form yet, before you get to this page, what you'll see is a spot to put the dates that you need volunteers and then how many volunteers you need. Once you have put that information and submitted it, then you'll be taken to this page. So we've got the dashboard here, we've got our nice countdown to our event, we can see how many volunteers we have, and we can see how many are checked in. So that's nice. We don't have any right now because we just created this form. We also have our link that we can send out to people to get volunteers to sign up right here. So that's awesome. And then you can edit the event here. So if you need to change the name, you can. If you want to update the URL, you can. We recommend not updating the URL because that can make things a little bit tricky with search engine optimization, but you do have that option. And then you'll have your volunteer dates, your country, your address, how many volunteers you need. If there's a limit, you can have there be a volunteer limit. And if you want to let people sign up as volunteer groups, you can do that too. And then we have a sign up form and you can turn it off if you want to disable it, or you can have it be on. I'm going to leave it on for now. And then you can also set the form close date here. And then if you want to enable social sharing, you can do that as well. Since I didn't change anything, I'm not going to save anything, but if you do make changes, be sure to save it. So I'm just going to hit cancel. And then you can create or edit jobs, view volunteers. Here, these pages are also accessible from the sidebar menu. So we've got our volunteers here and then jobs here. You can edit your volunteer form. You can see stats for questions and jobs. You can email volunteers, see what you've sent, and schedule emails for the future. We also offer custom messaging, so you can put custom messages on your confirmation page, on your sign up page, and in your confirmation emails. And then you can control user access here under users. All right, the last thing I want to show you is this My Events dropdown. You can see just the different events you have in Come Volunteer. You can see volunteers from all of the events that you're working with, or you can return to the Start Events dashboard here if you've connected your event to Start Events. So that's convenient navigation, and then of course you can log out when you click on user. All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll cover everything else in the next videos.